Hi, how are you? I'm Kishan Khandelwal from Drive Interactive Technologies. Right now you have seen this particular digital teaching system. In this digital teaching system, we have a different kind of items. Like if you're talking about this particular cabinet, this is the digital teaching cabinet, and this is the projector and this board. And right now we have aesthetically designed it to the for the schools. Right now, so the feature of this machine is firstly we open this cabinet and then press the single power button. With the help of this button, our entire solution will on. Our projector, system, smart boards, speakers, everything will be on with the help of single power button. Now you see, it will take 1.5 minutes to getting on. So after 1.5 minutes, the entire system will on. Now you see the projector screen, and then you will get the PC screen. Now this blue light is flashing like the system is on. Now it's detect the screen of computer system. This is the aesthetically designed for the schools. It is totally the compact system. Right now in the market we have a different kind of cabinets, but this is the compact design cabinet. It inbuilds the computer system i3 500GB and 2GB RAM, and 40 watt speaker systems also inside the cabinet. Now you get the screen of PC. Now I'm telling about the system. First is the power on and off button. Second one is the IR. Now you see this is the IR button. Sorry, IR remote. In this IR remote, it's a multi-functionality remote. We can control the volume from here. Even I will use it like a laser pointer. I will scroll also. No, it will work like a air mouse with wireless. Now the next point is the laptop audio option is there. If you want to share your laptop screen onto the projector, so the laptop port is there. Okay. Now the second turn is a PC. If you want to get the PC screen you will get at the same time. If you want to control the volume, I'll show you one volume option. Right, this is your video, and currently your video is running here. On that case, if you want to control the volume,
Exposed
then you
with
can
signal
control the volume
detecting
from
process to
here.
begin. As playheads begin to adhere to the cut edges.
If you want to mute the volume, then we can mute also. We can mute the audio also. Like the next button for the projector on and off. If you need to directly switch off the projector, there is no need to you don't require the projector screen, so you can directly switch off the projector from here. The next one is for the PC on and off. Even if you want to, currently you are using your laptop on this particular system and you don't require this particular machine, so we can switch it off the PC from this particular button. Even we have some USB ports, mic ports, and video outputs are also there. Now the turn on this is the document camera visualizer. This is the on button is there. Okay. Now this is the software. Support software of this visualizer is Scan Secretary. If you want to show some objects to the students directly, some live images, so just put your object here and we can see the screen. We can see the screen also. If you want to capture the image, then you can capture also. Like right now I captured an image of remote. It's captured on the desktop. See, the image is saved there. Okay, if you want to annotate on this particular image, select the ink and then we can write also. So this is the functionality of visualizer. This is the visualizer option is here. Okay. And if you want to type with the mouse and keyboard, the mouse keyboard is also there. If you want to shut off the classroom, this is totally compact design. Just download the visualizer and then we can shut the machine also with the key. Now in this particular board we have a software of this smart board is SmartOutlook 14. The software is also there. It will take some time to getting out. So after that you will get the software screen. You will get a different kind of tools. In this particular software we have some different tools as compared to other boards. Like if you're talking about the pens, the normal pens is there. Braille. If you want to write, then select the normal pen. Second one is a calligraphic. Calligraphic is a okay. The crayon option is also there. If you want to fill some crayon colorings, so just select the object and we can fill the colors with the help of crayon also. Now you see the effect of crayon is totally naturally. It's not some digital, not be like the digital systems. It just look like a original, natural effect. Okay, the crayon option is available. The third is a highlighter. If you want to highlight something else, so you can select the highlighter also. So the Braille Interactive is highlighted with the help of highlighter. The text pen, even if you want to write with the marker pen, and then if you want to convert it into the proper text, so the text pen is there, right? The Benny Tyson, whatever we are writing, so it will automatically convert it into the text. Okay, right? Next one is a creative pen. The creative pen is a different kind of stamp pen, like a smiley. If a teacher wants to give a smiley to the classroom, then it will give us different smileys to the classes. Like if you want to move some smiley from here to there, then we can change the position also. Even we can change the size. If you want to move, then we can move also. Okay, like stars. The stars are also there. Now the next one is a shape recognition pen. With the help of shape recognition pen, it will capture, it will recognize the nearest shape of mathematicals. Like right now I want to draw a circle or a rectangular, then it will convert it into properly shape. Okay, the fill color effects is there. Fill the color, select the color, like that. Now the next option is science and technologies. So the next pen is a magic pen. We also have, with the help of magic pen, whatever you are writing, with the help of magic pen, so it will fade after a few seconds. So we are using this pen as front of the students, those who don't have the concentration on the lecture. For the recalling purpose, we can use the magic pen. Again, with the help of magic pen, if I will draw a circle, then it will become a spotlight. Right? If you want to highlight some particular part of body or particular part of object, then we can use this highlighter. Okay? If you want to change the size, you can change the size also. If you want to move, then we can also move it. Again, with the help of magic pen, then it will become a magnifier. If you want to highlight some particular part to magnify, then draw a rectangle, then it will become a magnifier. like that. If you want to change the size, then we can change also. If you want to move this, then we can move also. The eraser option is there. So the table options are also there. If you want to draw a table, then directly we can draw a table also. Double click and then we can type, or if you want to write, then we can write also. So directly we have two options, the typing and the writing option is also there. Some Mac tools are available here, like a protector. If you want to draw some angles, so directly select the protector, put the angle on the 40 degree and then click, then your 41 degree angle will be there. If you need some multiple angles, then select the angle size and then we can again and again draw the angles. If you need a 360 degree angle, then directly select and draw the angle also. The 38 degree angle will be there. So this kind of mathematical tools are there. If you want to different, we can change the location of the angles also. And the next mathematical tools are also there. A compass, even we can change the radius. If you want to draw an arc, then we can draw an arc also, like that. So the recording option is also there. If you want to record your lecture, just start the recording, okay, and then use the other tools like a ruler if you need, again, okay, select. Even we can delete the particular part, move it from here and there, and then stop the recording. Save it as per your directory, desktop or D/C drive. It will record your video in a universal format, video media player format. Directly we can play the recording also. So like that, the video will record it. Even we can delete the particular part, move it from here and there, and then stop the recording. Okay, and then use. So the recording option is available. And if I am talking about the shading option, the shading option is there. If you want to hide your screen with the curtain option is there. You can move this curtain in the horizontal and vertical both sides and then cross. We also have some gallery item is there, like some multimedia files are also there. This is the frog dissection video is there. In this frog dissection video, it's an interactive file. Just select the tools and cut this frog. Select the pins, put the pin tight on the legs and hands. Select the stomach, take the laser blade. With the help of surgical blade, we will cut the stomach of the frog. Then select the other parts, pin it like that. And if you want to cut the throat, then the throat is there. Select the scissor again, and even we can cut the throat also. Right now on this interactive file, we are also use some creative options like a magic pen. If you want to show some part to the students, just select the magic pen, draw a circle, then it will become a spotlight. Okay, and again draw a rectangular, then it will become a magnifier. Then select a pen and save. Okay. And math tools are also there. Like if you need to draw a circle, then select a circle or multiple circles, and a rectangular, a triangle. As per your choice, you can draw also. Pentagon, hexagon, octagon, rectangular. Then we can draw the multiple mathematical shapes also. All the list pages are automatically saved here. If you need to change directly, want to go on the 6th number of slide, 7th number of slide, so directly we can go on the particular slide also. One more option is there, select the complete objects. Right now you want to give a lecture to the students. So after that, if you want to attach your recording on this particular tablet, so select the recording option. Whatever I am speaking, sounding, it will record the recording and attach my recording voice with the object. So like that, this is the 71-degree angle and the 41-degree angle. Even if I want to attach my voice with this particular object, then I can attach the stop the recording. Then corner icon and object. We have two type of pressing. Corner icon means after the completing of this particular part, then the corner at the corner of this particular object, it will show you a soundbar option. Okay, and the object icon is whichever we will open this particular file, then the sound automatically will be on. Now I am selecting it with the corner icon, attach recording. So now you see. Now you see, this is the project object is our soundbar will be there. Then we can get the recording also. So this is your entire software of this smart board. And now you see the design of this particular classroom system. We have a completely designed cabinet for the schools. There is no need, there is no obstructions in the walking area of the teacher. Is totally aesthetically designed in the particular system. The framing is also there. The complete covered wall mount kit is also there, and the whiteboard, green board is optional. If you want to need to purchase the whiteboard, then we will provide the whiteboard, and the green board is also there. So this is the entire complete classroom, and even the one more important thing in this solution is that there is no any kind of wire you see. It is totally covered. All the powers of projectors and boards will be given to the digital cabinet. So this is the entire solution of this screen. Now you see the desktop screen. So that's it, and this is my digital teaching device cabinet demonstration. Thank you so much.